Hey everyone, this is Rohan here, co-founder at Deolite, and today we'll be using Alpha and integrating it with a Google Sheet, and we'll be using Sheety for the same. So we'll be creating a simple web app where people can put in their webinar related details for attending any webinar, and then that details will be integrated to this Google Sheet, which is website attendee. So name, email, Aadhaar card, and submission date and time. So what I'll be doing is pretty straightforward. I'll be using the Sheety API. So I'm creating a new project from Google Sheet. Just copy pasting the sheet here. Create a project. I'll just enable add a row. Just enable all of these three things, and then we'll use this API. Copy this, go to code, paste this here, and then just type out a good prompt, which is create me a web app for submitting details for my own webinar using Sheety API as mentioned. You need to take name, email, Aadhaar card, and submission date and time as the four key data points and map it accordingly to the Google Sheet webinar attendees sheet 1 sheet and sheet. I'm just typing this so that there's lesser chance of hallucination. And yeah, let's go. So it has started working on it. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It's almost done. So I'll type my full name, my email, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Now this should work. Wonderful. You can see it is working pretty smooth. I can deploy it and do whatever I want with it. So this is how you can integrate Google Sheets with Alpha.